everyone, welcome back to the Herbal Bunny. My name is Tamitha, and if you've seen the last 3 videos where I broke them up into 3 parts, I talked about anxiety, and I've decided that I want to do a 30-day challenge with you on kind of the first steps that I took in order to reverse my anxiety and to bring myself back into balance and heal my body naturally. So starting May 1st for 30 days, the whole month of May, I am going to be posting videos and tips and just some other information to share with you on how to bring your body back into balance and to hopefully completely reverse your anxiety and your symptoms. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out the last 3 videos that I posted where I talk about my symptoms, my journey, and everything that I had done to help bring myself back into balance and the causes of anxiety. And I really go into detail with that. It's broken up into 3 different parts, and it's about 35 minutes altogether. But this video is just an intro to what I'm going to be doing, meal planning, meditation, some herbs, and tips on how to relieve anxiety when you're having the symptoms of panic. Alright, so the first thing that I want to say is, disclaimer, I'm not a doctor. I have no idea what medications you guys are taking. I have no idea your history. So you want to take that all into consideration. Talk to your doctor. I do recommend that you get a blood workup done, a full panel on yourself, your hormones, your vitamins, your minerals, your organs, all that stuff to see where you're standing, because we are going to talk about some of those imbalances that's in your body. If you're low on certain minerals, those could be the contributing factor to your anxiety. And we want to make sure, if you are low in that, you're talking to your doctor, if they can either prescribe you something or you can take it over the counter supplement. We're in the first 5 days of the 30-day challenge is the detox phase of it, so I will be going into that. I will also talk about other things that you're going to need for the next 30 days, and a meal app that you guys can download. If you have your own meal app, that's great, but I will share with you the one that I use. So at this point, I do recommend that you talk to your doctor before beginning any sort of program, no matter for weight loss or anxiety, depression, whatever. You definitely want to make sure you talk to your doctor. Hey, is it okay that I go ahead and do a diet change or add supplements, get my blood work done? Talk to them about your situation, because I don't know your situation. Okay, you guys, so that is it right now. 30-day challenge to get your anxiety under control, get your body back into balance. And I'm really looking forward to making the video. I'm really going to try to do a video every single day, but I do have a very busy life. I do work, I go to school, and there's children involved in my life, so be patient with me if I do miss a day or so. But I do want to help you guys get through this. I want to encourage you, and yeah. Alright, any questions, comments, go ahead. Do it down below. Subscribe, share. If you know anybody who has anxiety and you think they could benefit from this challenge for 30 days, you got to give it all you got. I'm always telling people, even if it's weight loss or muscle training, toning, whatever it is, you want to look great for bathing suits. See, whatever you put into what you're doing is what you're going to get back. So pray about it. Focus on trying to do a commitment for 30 days, folks, the whole month of May. We're going to be starting May 1st, and the next video I'm going to be doing in a couple of days is going to be a list of things that you may want to purchase that's going to help you through this journey for the next 30 days. Alright, you guys, have a great day. Bye!